To my friends, one day we will all be separated from each other. We will miss the conversations of everything and nothing, and the dreams that we had. Days, months, and even years will pass until contact with you will become rare. One day, our children will see our pictures and will ask, "Who are they?" We will smile, and with a single tear will say, "It was because of them I had the best years of my life."
You were good to me.
And bring the bottle tonight, red wine to rerun all our memories right. It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realign.
Hello everyone, and welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen with you. This flight 5J897 bound for Catiglan. Only guests for this flight must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call the attention of any of your cabin crew.
Another glass of wine to find the diamonds in your eyes, darling. Another glass of wine, you know it's time. 3, 2, 1.
Ito kayo very much, sir. Kung anong body number nyo? Dito ang titignan nyo body number. 747 405. And then,
We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed, and now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replied.
Jetty Port.
ano po kailangan?
Dalawa lang. And then, papapuntahin kayo sa Windows 789. Doon tayo magbabayad ng terminal fee, environmental fee, tsaka boat ticket.
You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replied.
Thank you po. Anyway, pupunta na kami sa trike. Papunta dun sa hotel namin. This is the end of the DIY transfer. We have spent a total of 400 pesos to transfer from airport to hotel. For more information, you can visit aklan.gov.ph or check the description box below.
Space tayo kasi
Mga
para ang
activities natin naman, tumaas yung mga activities natin. Okay, ready? 1. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
We will spend 5 days and 4 nights here. We have checked in at Indila for the first day and would stay at Henann for the remaining days. Immediately upon arriving, we changed our clothes and took a lot of pictures. And of course, roam around the pristine beach of Boracay.
your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. I want it back, babe. Tell me why. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh.
This will be our last day at Indila Hotel, and we should check out by 12. However, since we partied hard last night, we woke up late, and here we are, just starting our day at almost 12 noon.
Tinulak ba kita? Sige na tinutulak ko.
Tutulungan tayong lahat.
Sige, sige na hindi. Baka iba na ang subto sa'yo dyan. Or ano yun?
Wow!
Own ano yun? Ay, tinulak kasi ako ni Carl. Ganun siya.
Tawa kahit tutulak mo ako.
Ano pag sinasayaw ko? Anong ginagawa mo?
Nasilang ako eh.
First time ba?
Ayaw ko na doon.
Bakit?
Ano lang, hindi na ako daw.
What stays in the bar?
Oo, dito lang naman yun.
Dito lang naman yun, pero when nilalabas niyo.
Kaya nga, mas tasty sa bar.
Maabot lang yun. Hindi naman, hindi na yung maano. Like memory ko na lang yun.
How come every time we talk, you act like you're too cool? The city.
Hello! This is how Henann Palm room looks like. Their deluxe room offers one queen bed and one single bed. It also has a bathtub. Staying at Henann Palm, I realized that it is more than just the money spent. Luxurious but worth it.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day.
Same bathroom. Hey, Mayo! Mayo, say hi, Mayo! Mayo! And then, yun, same lang din. Yan. Ang masabi mo sa kwarto nyo?
Oh my God.
Ikaw, ang sabi mo. Okay, ito. Yan.
May notes pa.
Guys, hanapin nyo saan yung baba niya. And then, Carl, say hi, Carl.
Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh. Stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, dancing in the rain. Hey. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na.
Sino po sila?
Guys, ano ng oras? Kailangan na natin kumakas. Pag-breakfast. Para maka-breakfast.
We spent most of our day 3 doing sea tour, so this will be uploaded and discussed on our next vlog.
All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child I watched them grow out of only seeds.
Doing sea tour is very tiring, and I think we deserve a very delicious meal to wrap up day 3.
Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me.
Thank you!
It's funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need.
Magkano yung bill?
790. Parang naiyak.
Para di na magpa-party si Jen.
Umuwi na tayo.
It rained heavily during the day 4, so we just spent our time eating in cafes, eating a lot of food, and barely doing any tasks.
Ay, hindi ko yung gets yung part niya talaga. Kung paano, pero... Para mas malaki to.
Oh my God!
There is nothing that really is exciting at the end of the vacation. It is really tough. After days of relaxing on the beach and sharing stories with friends, here we are on the last day, not eager to do anything. But yup, we need to accept that all getaways must come to an end at some point.
So anong gagawin natin? Parang nagugutom ako, so feeling ko kailangan pa natin kumain maya-maya.
Doon na tayo kumain na doon pagkain.
Saan?
Sa may tapat ng airport mismo.
Let's get to the beach. Let's go get a beach.
Tara na.
Or memorize.